morning and thank you for joining us for today's Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Oil prices slid for a third day in a row to a 16-week low as a US government shutdown fed worries about the global economy, while traders expected more oil supply to come on the market with a planned output boost by OPEC Plus next month. Wall Street's main stock indexes rose, with strong support from the healthcare sector, despite weaker than expected private payrolls, data and uncertainty around the first day of the US federal government shutdown. Japanese investment company Metaplanet has acquired an additional 5,268 Bitcoin, worth roughly $600 million at current market prices. Metaplanet announced on Wednesday that its latest purchase has brought its total Bitcoin holdings to 30,823 BTC.
The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The sterling-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The Williams indicator is in overbought territory. The Aussie-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal.
The next few days will feature a busy economic calendar showcasing important reports that range in significance. Market participants should stay alert for possible fluctuations as these updates are made public. Anticipating market reactions to these updates will be vital for traders. Having an adaptable approach can help manage risk and take advantage of sudden market movements.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Thursday's Market Outlook. And on behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial market.